There is one habit that makes people think about you when you are not there, talk about you when you are not in the room, and feel your absence more than they expected to. It is not charm. It is not humor. It is not being the most interesting or entertaining person in a conversation. In fact, it has almost nothing to do with what you say at all. And the strangest part is that the people who have this habit are usually not even aware they are doing it. Most people approach social interaction as a performance. They think about what they will say next. They manage how they are coming across. They think about their story, their joke, their opinion, and whether it landed the way they intended. And while they are doing all of that internal management, they are missing the only thing that actually matters in a conversation with another human being, the person in front of them. The habit is this: being completely, genuinely present with whoever you are with, for however long you are with them. Not partially present. Not present while also mentally rehearsing your next response. Fully present, in a way that makes the other person feel like the most important thing in your world at that exact moment. This sounds simple. It is extraordinarily rare. And rarity is exactly what makes it so powerful. Here is what happens neurologically when someone gives you their full, undivided, genuine attention. Your brain registers it as something deeply significant. Studies on human connection show that the experience of being truly seen, not just heard but actually attended to, activates the same reward centers that respond to physical comfort and safety. Your nervous system responds to genuine attention as if something important just happened. Because for a species wired for connection, something important did just happen. This is why people remember certain conversations for years while forgetting dozens of others. It is almost never about the content. It is almost always about how they felt during it. And the people who make others feel that quality of attention become unforgettable in a way that cannot be manufactured by being funnier, more interesting, or more impressive. Here is the counterintuitive part. People who practice this habit often say less than the people around them. They ask more questions and offer fewer opinions. They resist the urge to insert their own experience into someone else's story. They let silences exist without rushing to fill them. And somehow, the people who talked most in the conversation leave feeling more deeply connected to the quiet one who mostly listened than to anyone else in the room. Because the deepest human need in any interaction is not to be entertained. It is to feel understood. And the person who consistently makes others feel understood becomes the person those others carry with them. The one they call when something important happens. The one they mention to other people without being able to fully explain why. The one whose absence is felt in a way that presence rarely is. Now here is where this becomes practical. Full presence is not a talent. It is a practice, and a demanding one in an era built for distraction. Every notification, every half glance at a phone, every mental drift back to your own concerns while someone else is speaking is a withdrawal from the account of genuine connection. And people feel those withdrawals even when they cannot name them. They simply walk away feeling less significant than they hoped to, without knowing exactly why. The people who build this habit have made a quiet decision. They have decided that whoever they are with in any given moment deserves their actual attention. Not the partial version, not the managed version, but the full and present version. And that decision, made consistently over time, creates a reputation that no amount of being impressive can replicate. Here is the deep truth worth carrying with you. People do not miss you because of what you said. They miss you because of how you made them feel about themselves when they were with you. So here is the question worth sitting with today. Think about the last conversation you had. Were you actually present in it? Or were you performing presence while your mind was somewhere else entirely?